Welcome back. Where are you watching from and what time is it there right now? Also, when you're done, tell me your score in the comments. Alright, focus up. Let's start. Question 1. How many signs are in the zodiac? Is it A, 11, B, 12, or C, 9? Answer B, 12 signs. Nice! If you got that right, you're already off to a strong start. Let's keep that momentum going. Question 2. What is the square of 15? A, 30, B, 150, or C, 225? Answer C, 225. Excellent! You're doing great. Math wizards in the house. Question 3. How many ports are there in the United States? A, 450, B, 200, or C, 300? Answer A, 450 ports. Impressive if you knew that one. That's some serious geography knowledge right there. Question 4. Who among these is poisonous? A, pufferfish, B, cat, or C, dog? Answer A, pufferfish. Smart choice. That's a tricky one, but you nailed it. Stay sharp. Question 5. Brian Lara is associated with which sport? A, football, B, tennis, or C, cricket? Answer C, cricket. Fantastic. Sports fans are crushing it today. Let's see what's next. Question 6. Which of these is a chili pepper? A, jalapeno, B, avocado, or C, apricot? Answer A, jalapeno. Spicy answer. You're on fire. Keep it going. Question 7. Which is a curd-based beverage? A, wine, B, lassi, or C, mojito? Answer B, lassi. Delicious choice. You know your drinks. I'm impressed. Question 8. How many total days are there in May? A, 29, B, 30, or C, 31? Answer C, 31 days. Easy one, right? But hey, you got it. That's what matters. Question 9. Guess a Serbian tennis player. A, Novak Djokovic, B, Roger Federer, or C, Venus Williams? Answer A, Novak Djokovic. Legendary. Tennis fans know what's up. You're killing it. Question 10. Which among these is related to boxing? A, Coco Gauff, B, Claressa Shields, or C, Brianna Stewart? Answer B, Claressa Shields. Powerful answer. You know your athletes. Respect. Question 11. Pick the travel and lifestyle channel. A, MTV, B, TLC, or C, HBO? Answer B, TLC. Perfect. You've got your channels locked down. Let's roll. Question 12. Name a traditional Japanese outfit. A, kimono, B, cheongsam, or C, sari? Answer A, kimono. Beautiful culture knowledge on point. You're unstoppable. Question 13. Which of these is in France? A, Times Square, B, London Eye, or C, Eiffel Tower? Answer C, Eiffel Tower. Classic. I knew you'd get that one. You're a geography genius. Question 14. What is the world's most expensive spice? A, saffron, B, paprika, or C, turmeric? Answer A. Saffron. Golden answer. That's some luxury knowledge right there. Question 15. Amazon rainforest lies in which continent? A. Europe, B. South America, or C. Asia? Answer B. South America. Brilliant! You're navigating through these questions like a pro. Question 16. What is the next prime number after 7? A. 9, B. 11, or C. 13? Answer B. 11. Mathematical genius. You've got the brains for this. Question 17. What animal kills the most humans each year? A. Mosquito, B. Lion, or C. Alligator? Answer A. Mosquito. Shocking but true. Bet you didn't expect that. Great job. Question 18. How many dice are included in a standard backgammon set? A. 2, B. 5, or C. 1? Answer B. 5 dice. Nice. Backgammon expert in the building. Question 19. What is the oldest major soft drink brand in America? A. Coca-Cola, B. Dr. Pepper, or C. Pepsi? Answer B. Dr. Pepper. Vintage knowledge. You know your soft drink history. Question 20. How many equinoxes are there each year? A. 2, B. 1, or C. 4? Answer A. 2 equinoxes. Astronomical. You're halfway through and killing it. Question 21. What do you call a female elephant? A. Cat, B. Dog, or C. Cow? Answer C. Cow. Interesting, right? You nailed it though. Keep going strong. Question 22. Who is credited as the primary inventor of the USB at Intel? A. Steve Jobs, B. Ajay Bhatt, or C. Bill Gates? Answer B. Ajay Bhatt. Tech genius. You know your innovators. Respect. Question 23. How do sea otters stay linked while sleeping? A. Tie tails together, B. Hold hands, or C. Use underwater glue? Answer B. They hold hands. Adorable and correct. Cutest answer so far. Question 24. What color is the sky around the setting sun on Mars? A. Deep red, B. Pale blue, or C. Bright yellow? Answer B. Pale blue. Mind-blowing, right? Space knowledge is strong with you. Question 25. Which country has the most tornadoes annually? A. Canada, B. United States, or C. Australia? Answer B. United States. Storm chaser knowledge. You're crushing these. Question 26. What is the specific name for an adult female sheep? A. Doe, B. Ewe, or C. Cow? Answer B. Ewe. Farming facts. You've got diversity in your knowledge bank. Question 27. Which Olympic sport uses brooms and granite stones on ice? A. Ice hockey, B. Bobsledding, or C. Curling? Answer C. Curling. Winter Olympics expert. Almost at the finish line. Question 28. What does the term soft drink actually mean? A. Easy to swallow, B. Contains no alcohol, or C. Low carbonation? Answer: B. Contains no alcohol. Smart. You're decoding terminology like a champion. Question 29. What is the lowest zip code in the United States? A. 00501, B. 00001, or C. 01001? Answer: A. 00501. Wow, that's deep knowledge. You're unstoppable. Question 30. What water gives a mojito its fizz? A. Tonic water, B. Club soda, or C. Still mineral water? Answer: B. Club soda. Refreshing answer. You made it through all 30 questions. Bonus question. Which company has a silver three-pointed star logo? A. Mercedes-Benz, B. BMW, or C. Ferrari? Don't tell me yet. Drop your answer in the comments below. Let's see who gets this bonus right. This one's for the real nerds. Don't say the answer out loud. Type your guess in the comments, A, B, or C. Then tell everyone your total score out of 30, plus whether you think you nailed the bonus. And that's the end of today's quiz. How many did you get right out of 30? And what did you answer for the bonus question? Share your score and your bonus guess in the comments so we can see who's the real trivia champion.